think the biggest milestones of 2017, or at least one of them, was our acquisition of the Norensic and the Score platform. RegTech isn't probably the sexiest industry out there, but the product that team had built really was a pretty compelling platform in terms of doing something that industry really needed badly, in terms of very quickly identifying manipulative trading practices in a way that really eliminated false positives. I think coupling a product like TT Score with the immediate availability of data that the platform has provided to our clients is equally compelling. That immediacy of data, whether it's trade data, market data, every transaction that a trading firm has done in the history of using the platform, marrying that with something as unique and value add as TT Score, I think is we're really excited about it, and I know our partners are excited about it as well. It's been a challenge for firms, really for the lifetime of electronic trading. As more and more firms become more and more automated, the volume of data has grown, and so being able to manage that data and feed it into a platform, whether it's a surveillance platform, whether it's AlphaGen, having immediate access to the right data and the data that you need from when you need it has always been a challenge. 2018, at least the first quarter here, our big news was the integration of the TT platform with Coinbase GDAX exchange. You can't spend much time at a conference like this or in this industry without hearing about crypto and the sort of lion's share of attention it's gotten. And so we're really excited about offering that integration. Probably about 12 months ago is when we really started to hear our institutional client base ask us to provide access to a cash crypto platform. Volumes were growing exponentially in spite of the fact that there really wasn't a good professional grade platform out there for some of the largest trading firms to trade these markets in a way that they were familiar. And so over the last few months, identifying who that right initial partner would be in GDAX and Coinbase, and then getting that platform out, which we launched access to about a week ago. I do think the cash crypto community is starting to catch up with the requirements of the institutional trading community. A lot of these platforms and exchanges were built out of and from teams that didn't have a lot of capital markets experience, and so they're now having to scramble to whether it's stability, whether it's security, whether it's privacy, really try to meet the needs that the world we've all known for so long and have taken for granted. But I think they are catching up. I think that's one of the reasons why GDAX quickly rose to the top for us, because they understood those institutional needs and requirements really from day one and built a platform that met those needs. I do think it's a pivotal time. I think you can't, as much as you hear crypto, walking the halls of a conference like this, the thing you hear equally as much is data. And most people talk about data today in terms of opportunity, in terms of why data is great. Fewer people and fewer firms really know what it means to manage and maintain vast amounts of data in a way that people can really glean insight and gain value out of. I think the firms and the technology providers and the FCMs and the trading firms and the exchanges that know best how to manage that data problem and provide it in a way that really can transform a trading business or a trading industry, they're the ones who are going to still be standing in a few years' time.